Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to weekly AI news. Last week was pretty fun. काफ़ी सारा कुछ नया आया. Let me just take you through everything. This will be a very quick video. I will not get into any bullshit. I will just cover up the news that you want to know. So first of all, DeepSeek V3.1 came out, and people are comparing it to GPT-5. I'll tell you this much: you cannot compare it to GPT-5. It's not even close. Uh, DeepSeek V3.1 is a good model, especially because of the pricing. Like, look at that pricing card. It is much better than DeepSeek V3. DeepSeek V3.1 Think is also really good. But here's the thing, right? It is on all benchmarks not even close to GPT-5. So yeah, for the price, it's really good. It is amongst the top models, and if you're comparing it price to value against GPT-5 or Claude, it is a better model. I have done some limited testing with it, and I still prefer the UI on GPT-5, and GPT-5 overall gives a much better answer. DeepSeek just hopes that a longer answer would always be better, but I have not done enough testing to give like conclusive statements. But that's what I can tell you about DeepSeek V3.1 right now. OpenAI launched. OpenAI has launched their sub $5 plan in India. सो अब आप लोग चैट जी पी टी 400 रुपीज़ में एक्सेस कर सकते हो, चैट जी पी टी प्रो, विच इज़ रियली गुड. दैट्स रियली अमेजिंग. ए आई इन सर्च, या सो गूगल itself has created a search agent, just like kind of how Perplexity works, and kind of how OpenAI has been getting into more agentic stuff. The AI mode can now, book stuff for you, go to sites, look for very specific things. You can give it very specific instructions, and it's rolling out for everyone soon. Next is OpenAI ने अपना they've released their own guide on how you can use GPT-5 for coding, and they've uh, basically given you all instructions on how to prompt it and how to basically get the best output from GPT-5. Next, okay, I'll be honest, I haven't tested this feature, and I have no interest in testing this feature, because who even cares about Excel? I mean, I know a lot of people do. I just don't. So there's a AI powered formula feature in Excel, which you can just copy and paste from ChatGPT. But I guess this is just makes it a little bit easier. Notebook LM has a new feature where now you can basically upload your documents and run a deep research within Notebook LM. You find a lot of web sources, and then you make a podcast. So it's a pretty cool addition. Then there is Nano Banana. Nano Banana, we made a video about it. It's a new model from, we don't know who yet, but it is very good. It is comparable to Flux Context Pro. The only way you can access it is on LM Arena. Next, Gemini के अंदर there is a new projects feature, which I seem to not have access to. ओके, मे बी ये वाले अकाउंट पे मेरे पास प्रोजेक्ट्स फीचर का एक्सेस नहीं है. आई एम pretty sure it's there on like the pro account. So if you use ChatGPT, projects feature क्या है. You can basically group a lot of chats together, upload your documents there, and all of the chats will have the context of all of the documents and all of the other chats. So you basically are using a feature within Gemini to organize your chats. Very cool feature, also very late. Um, OpenAI has warned against SPV. This is just so I've pulled a lot of news from TechCrunch. काफ़ी सारे useless होगा, so I'll just cover the good one. Um, yeah, I guess the last thing. Did I skip a lot of this? I think I skipped. Anyways, so one thing is Google has just dropped, Pixel 10, and people are claiming that Pixel 10 is 5 years ahead of iPhone and whatnot. Um, I think Pixel 10 just has average AI features that you would have expected from Pixel 10, but just Apple is just really horrible at AI. That's why this seems like it is so damn good. When really it's just Apple being shit that is, you know, bad. Now, Meta has partnered with Midjourney to create AI image and video models. Nothing too interesting. Apple has gotten ready for AI. Yeah. So this is just nonsense. This is also nonsense. We are not going to talk about Apple here. Apple release. I know Apple does not care about my videos. Release a good AI feature that actually works, and then we'll talk about you in the weekly AI news videos sponsored by Neural Arc, by the way. Um, anyways, I guess that's the news that we have for today. Thank you for watching. Tata. Bye bye. That felt so short.